All right, what's up guys, how y'all doing? So we had to come to the post office this morning because we got a special package in the mail that I missed yesterday. It needed signature because it was from Japan. So yeah, Ken picked it up and it worked out perfectly in time because it's for the new wheels for the new car. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you probably haven't seen the wheels, but these are super rare, awesome. I can't believe I found it, and I can't believe the price I actually got them for. But they're back there. Anyways, we're gonna go see Shane, my homie at Barney's. That's his place. He's my tire guy, my tire plug. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys there. All right, I'm pretty sure all you guys remember this place. This should look like a familiar yard. Yo, what up? Dude, finally the camera's here. It's the homie right here. But these guys always do pretty much all my tires. They're in Temecula. Barney's Tires right here in Temecula. They're on Jefferson if you live around here. If not, just Google them, they'll pop up. But Shane, this is his place. He's a man. He got everything. They are my tire sponsor, my tire plug. Thank you again, Barney's. But these are the wheels that we got for the S12. All you guys that don't know, these are the Wanabe wheels. These are actually the real deal. This is not a replica. There's a lot of replicas out there. I have all the stickers, everything for them. Super sick. Shane got me some tires. Gonna throw them on. Hey, he did the works too, but yeah, let's get this going. Yeah, hey, what's up?
Ready for the line or what?
Yeah, I hope. How you doing?
This is a really high offset wheel for this, huh?
Yeah.